Hi, welcome back to my channel Bhasha Second Innings. We have had several places we have seen that there are people or the employees who are identified as the accident prone employees. But how to identify the accident prone employees? The study shows that there are several people by their actions or by their attitude or by their lack of interest in work, so they are classified as the lazy worker, lazy employee. The lazy employee is an employee who will take his own time, will do, or he will not listen, or he will not listen properly. He will do the things as if it is when some new safety matter is included, it has been told to him, then he may not listen or he may listen. He will do his work as per his schedule and like that only. So that is one thing. Second, if you see an employee sleeping in the duty hours, during the duty hours, there are employees who sleep during the duty hours. There may be a reason that they did not sleep during the night, or during the rest hours they did not sleep. If they are doing second or night shift, they did not have the proper sleep is one. Second, they have so many things going into their mind, and that can be shown we can able to make out from the face of it. Always he will be in the sleeping mode and all. He will try to sleep here and there. Some people will stand up and during standing or running the machine itself also they will sleep. Okay. Then the other kind of this thing is a restless employee. There are employee different from lazy, and the sleep is at restless. What is restless? Means whatever he will be doing so many things. He will be running around when the machine is fully automatic. He will not do the checking, but he will accumulate the things, and then he will do it at one time. He will be going to some other people will talk, and such kind of thing. People, if you observe, they are all the restless. Then unattentive people. Unattentive people means when the supervisor or the manager is instructing something on the work, how to do it, how to take that safety measures. So such things, he will be unattentive, and at the end he will ask, what did you say? I did not listen. So this kind of employees, they have to be taken care of, and we can say that, and also we can add to this list absent-minded employees. They will always be thinking how like that. So what is that absent-minded? He will be, suppose the supervisor or the manager is allocating the work. After 10 minutes he will come and ask you what exactly I have to do. So such kind of employees are also prone to accident. And there are employees who will worry all the time. And there are employees who will worry even if they get a good increment, even if they get some good news, even if they get something which is good, or they will worry for very trivial thing. Very trivial matter means there is a power failure for 10 minutes. He has to put off the machine, and then during restart he has to do a small resetting work. But he will be worrying for that. Why should I do that? So the people who worry for each and everything, good or bad, a small thing or a big thing. So every time worry, and worry is the only thing. For any trivial matter is also the employee who will be prone to accident. Then last the list is the dissatisfied workman, or and also the negative. We can combine together dissatisfied and negative, or we can see separately also. Dissatisfied means, suppose an employee is working for about 15 to 20 years. He did not get even a good say increment or a good report because of his work, because of his dullness, because the output is low, because quality is worse, that fellow will always try to find mistake with others. He may be telling, I did not get the instruction, I did not get the OK machine. Whenever I take, there is a problem in the machine. Such kind of people are the dissatisfied and the negative employees. So, as a supervisor, as a manager, or the plant in charge, when they are taking ground, they should identify the people with all these symptoms who are very prone to accident. This is very important. So now the question is, okay, the people are there. So many of you may agree also, yes, what to do then? What to do then is that when you see such people, it is better to counsel them and let them speak, and then ask them which department or which work actually they wanted to do. When the present work you are having so many lacunas, they may come up with some good solution also. So they may do extraordinary work in the field which they are. So you may, whenever there is a vacancy, you can tell them whenever there is a vacancy is there, or if the vacancy is there, immediately transfer them, give him a 6 months time, what he is doing. If he is extraordinary over there, let him continue over there. But a counseling by the supervisor, manager, plant head, and the HR and other people has to be done regularly. And sometime if the symptom continue, they may be asked to take leave for about whatever the time period from where they can recover, or you may take them to some psychologist for their psychiatrist to counsel and then get rid of their problem. Such things are becoming more and more during the present, or because of the work environment, you can see, or the social life they are having outside the company also. So please take care of all these employees who are accident prone and prevent accident in each and every corner of your company or the factory. Lead a safe life. Thank you very much for seeing my video. Till my next video, I am saying goodbye. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.